Hi guys, happy new month everyone. I'm super excited today because in today's video I'm going to be doing something very exciting. Yes, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, and guess what? I'm not just going to be unboxing anything but my Christmas clothes. So we're going to be doing some unboxing today. So sit back and watch, and let's unbox these things together. It's so beautiful. So firstly, let's start with my skirt. So I'm not really a fan of skirts, right? If you're among people that know me, you know that I don't like wearing skirts, right? But for this Christmas, I have to get a skirt. Yeah, I have to get a skirt because all of that Christmas I used to get trousers. In short, the main thing that made me buy this skirt is because of this shoe. Because of this shoe, right? So this is the main reason why I got this skirt. I don't know if you can see it well. So because of this shoe, I needed something to go well with this shoe, right? And skirt was the only option. So this is the skirt. This is my Christmas skirt, as you can see. So I just like the color. It's not black, or it's not completely black. Neither is it blue. So I just like the color. So this is the skirt, right? So let me show you the jacket. So look at the jacket here. So I love this as well. This is very beautiful. You need to see this on me. So this is the jacket. I don't know if you can see it well. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, right? Look at the jacket. So it's very beautiful. So this with this. So as you can see, it's very beautiful. So the main reason why I bought this is because of this shoe. Yes, I'm going to wear it with this shoe. So this with this, hey, you need to see me on that. In short, watch out for my Christmas look because it's going to be bloody. So this with this, right? So this was the main reason I had to get this skirt. You know, my other years, I used to buy trousers because I love trousers so much. I used to buy trousers. In short, yeah, I decided to do something different, something really different. Since we're entering into a new year, 2026, I cannot be doing the same thing. So I had to buy skirts. In the previous year, I used to buy trousers. Look at the trouser I bought. Look at my last year Christmas trouser, as you can see. I don't know if you've seen it well. This was the trouser I bought for last year Christmas. Look at it. So this was the trouser. So this year, I decided to do something different by buying skirts. So there's no trouser this time around. So let me show you the next one. This one, so you're going to watch closely because you're going to tell me the one you like the most because I'm already seeing my favorites. So let me show you this one, right? This one, I like the gown. It's very beautiful, but it has a butt. It has a butt. It's very short. That's just the butt. I don't know, can you see this? So this is the gown. It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful. And I can pair this up with this as well. I can still pair it up with this. It will go very well because the gown is short. But the only thing is that it's very short. It's too short. I don't know, it's too short, right? But I'm going to buy a pantyhose. I'm going to use a pantyhose in wearing this. And then that's why I said you should watch out for my look on that day. It will be a short down. Are you playing? But I can still pair it up with the reason why I said I wanted a gown, right, is because of my slippers. Yes, my mom gave me these slippers. So because of these slippers, I said I wanted a gown. So this can still go with this. This can still go with this, So it's because of this slipper that I said I wanted a gown. See how beautiful my slippers is? So do you like the slippers? Me, I love the slipper. I have one of my previous slippers is like this, but it's not as full. It doesn't have this thing that much. It's not as full as this. And I love this so much. I love the color. It's so pretty. Oh. So let me show you the next one. So watch closely and tell me the one you like the most. So for the next one we'll be unboxing is this one. So let's see what we have here. So I told you I didn't go for any trouser this year. It's just gown, mainly gown and skirt. I decided to do something different, so different. So all the gowns are short. All the gowns are short, right? But I'm going to buy a pantyhose, right, for it. So look at, I don't know, I don't know if you're seeing this well. This is the gown, right? This is what it looks like. So I'm not going to be wearing this, so it's very, very beautiful. I'm not going to be wearing this. It's going to be a different video on its own. So this is the gown, and this is what it looks like. It's very, very beautiful. And then the next one, you're going to tell me the one you like. And then let's see. This one also is my favorite. Like, I like this gown. I like all in short, they're all beautiful. They're all beautiful. Let me show you what this one looks like. I don't know, my camera is not doing justice. These things are very, very beautiful. Let me show you. Okay, this is what the gown looks like, right? And it has a slit at the front. Like, let me show you. You see? It has a slit at the front. So the gown is a black gown, a very, very black, like a black and very beautiful gown, right? So this is what it looks like. Do you see the material? You see the texture? So this is very, very beautiful. I like this as well. So the last one now is this skirt. I told you I went for only skirt and gown. Like, I needed to do something different, something really different. So look at my skirts. So look at this. This could also, I could pair it up with this if I want to. Like, so this is very beautiful. So I like this. So guys, tell me the one you will like the most in the comment section, because okay, let me show you my favorite. So this is my favorite. This is my favorite. After this one, then this one. Yes, I love this one because in short, if I were to wear this one, you see how beautiful it looks on me. Like, so beautiful. So this is my favorite, and then followed by this one before the other one. So this is what I like. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you like today's video, and there's more and more to come, right? So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Remember, I'm your friend Zoppy. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share and comment. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.